All right. Otherwise, in your B2 level, once you have command over language, then you don't even have to think about subjunctive and all. You just subjunctive will come automatically out of your mouth. I hope the doubt is clear. Namaste guys. So today we'll be learning subjunctive in French language, and in order to get good marks in your DELF A2, you can use subjunctive, and in your DELF B1 it is a must. All right. And in your DELF B2, subjunctive passé is a must. All right. So in case if you want to contact me, you can message me here on my Telegram ID. All right. So let's start. So let's start with the most common usage. The most common usage is il faut que. All right, il faut que. Now the meaning of il faut que is it is necessary that. It is necessary that. So before going further, let's learn how to conjugate subjunctive or the verb in subjunctive. All right, so let's start. So suppose the verb we have is parler verb, an ER verb. All right. So what we will do? So first of all, this is a must thing that in order to learn subjunctive, you need to have prior knowledge concerning present tense. Present tense. So let's say with the verb parler. All right. So with verb parler, parlons, parler. I have specifically changed the color of the endings in order to make you guys understand in a better manner. All right, now the most important in order to learn subjunctive is your il and l. Il and l parts. So il and l parts are E and T. So what you guys will going to do is take out il and l conjugations and remove E and T. Remove it. And add, and now add E, ES, E, IONS, IEZ, ENT. All right. So these are the endings. Same thing goes for IR verbs. The verb is finir, and you're gonna use il and l part of the conjugation. Remove the ENT part and focus on just a second, let me see. Yeah, recording is going on. So and add E, ES, E, IONS, IEZ, IENT. So keep such things in your mind. All right. Now the last thing is vendre. The verb is vendre. Vendre. All right. So again the same rule goes. The plural part, VENDENT. All right. Now, DEND, keep this part similar and change these endings. E, ES, E, IONS, IEZ, ENT. So now what you guys have to do is, so this is how you're going to conjugate all the verbs. All right. So there we have ER verbs, IR verbs, and RE verbs. Now there are certain verbs for which there is literally no rule. You have to mug up these words like être verb, avoir verb, vouloir verb. All right, these I personally call these verbs as awkward conjugations. All right, so that's how you conjugate them. Now the question is when to use these verbs. You're going to use these verbs when it comes to judgments, emotions. For example, sorry, just a second. Let me just clean this thing. For example, aimer, mieux que, or acceptance, j'accepte que. All right, things like these. Emotions. All right, j'ai peur que, avoir peur que. All right, these kind of things. Feelings. All right, you are in love, use subjunctive. All right, desires. Je souhaite que. In case if you have completed your DELF A2, you must be aware of a sentence, je souhaite que vous ayez bien. All right. Orders. Je veux que. Je veux que. Doubts. Doubts. Il est possible que. Il est possible que. All right. Things like these. Learn these kind of things. Find these kind of sentences and use them in your production oral. Why? See, guys, why I'm saying these things? Because in your production oral, see, teacher will not going to give you marks on the basis of your pensée. He will going to give you marks on the basis of your français. All right. So now there are sentences like je souhaite que. Use these sentences. Je veux que. Il est dommage que. Now specifically I have mentioned this one sentence structure. Why I have mentioned this structure is because, you know, suppose that you are in the middle of a conversation and you have no idea what to do. Then you can say il est dommage que, and then you can use subjunctive here. All right. Always keep such things in mind. Other things are very common, that here and here you need to change the subjects, etc.